Number 1. 1996 Ford F-150, price $9,550. Powering this short-box truck is a reliable 300 cubic inch 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4WD drivetrain. Showing 208,000 miles on the odometer, it remains mechanically sound following recent maintenance, which included an oil change, a new side cover gasket, fresh brakes, a new muffler, and replacement wiper blades. The burgundy exterior reflects its age with minor scratches and dents, along with a bit of rust just above the driver's side rear quarter panel, giving it a rugged finish ideal for stress-free trips through the woods, on the beach, or out hunting. Inside, the gray interior holds up well for its era, despite a small tear on the seat edge and a crack in the dashboard. Overall, it serves as a dependable, fun-to-drive utility truck ready for its next adventure. Number 2. 2002 Ford F-350, price $10,995, featuring a sharp white exterior paired with a tan leather interior. Powering this truck is the legendary, all-stock 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine mated to a smooth automatic transmission and an electric shift 4x4 system. It starts effortlessly on cold mornings without emitting smoke and delivers a solid driving experience despite showing 271,000 miles. The premium Lariat cabin is packed with convenient amenities, including heated seats, keyless entry, full power features, and a factory tow package. The truck comes with a clear title and a rust-free body showing only minimal cosmetic blemishes. The interior remains exceptionally well preserved with no rips or tears on the upholstery. Additionally, the vehicle is fully road-ready thanks to a comprehensive recent service that included a fresh oil change, transmission maintenance, new rear brakes, replacement front calipers, a new steering stabilizer, and tires with plenty of tread remaining. Number 3. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, featuring a sharp white exterior equipped with a heavy-duty bed liner and a spacious utility toolbox, perfectly complemented by a well-kept gray cloth interior. Beneath the hood, this two-wheel drive pickup relies on a legendary 8-cylinder, 5.7L gasoline engine mated to a smooth automatic transmission and effortless power steering. Even with 335,000 miles registered on the odometer, its mechanical foundation remains solid. Hailing entirely from the south, this vehicle boasts a clean title with an impressive single-owner lineage, ensuring a well-cared-for life free of harsh winter salt and making it completely prepped for a summer cruise. Inside the cabin, it combines practical utility with classic 90s comfort, featuring ice-cold air conditioning and strong heating, power windows, manual door locks, and cruise control for longer road trips. The original factory AM/FM/cassette stereo remains intact, rounding out a classic driving environment that is ready for its next chapter. Number 4. 1987 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,500, featuring a matching blue exterior and interior. Powered by a smooth 350 small block gasoline engine paired with an SM465 manual transmission, this two-wheel drive pickup offers a comfortable ride with 160,000 miles on the odometer, with a clean title, good tires, and a 98% rust-free body showing only minor blemishes. It is in great mechanical shape. Everything works properly aside from needing an alignment and a new AC belt, making this 2WD cruiser ideal for fair weather driving and winter storage. Number 5. 2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. The truck is a reliable, road-ready daily driver featuring a sleek silver exterior complemented by a comfortable gray leather interior. Powered by a dependable 5.3L gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this truck currently shows 260,000 miles on the odometer. The vehicle has been well maintained with regular oil changes performed every 3,000 miles, rides on tires with plenty of remaining tread, and comes equipped with practical additions including a bed-mounted toolbox, a headache rack with cargo lights, and a custom dual exhaust system. Inside the cabin, all electronic and comfort features operate as intended, offering dual power adjustable heated leather seats, driver memory settings, cold air conditioning, a strong heater, and an upgraded Pioneer speaker system for enhanced audio quality. Having served as a reliable daily driver for the past 5 years and recently completing a 450-mile road trip without any issues, the truck remains in good overall mechanical shape. It exhibits the typical 5.3L lifter noise on cold starts that settles after 30 seconds of idling, a slight oil leak that requires occasional top-offs between scheduled oil changes, and a minor exhaust rattle that simply needs tightening. Number 6. 2002 Toyota Tacoma, price $8,500, finished in a eye-catching red exterior and paired with a well-maintained gray interior. Kept completely 100% stock throughout its life and never subjected to harsh work duty, this vehicle features a smooth automatic transmission paired with a fully functional four-wheel drive system that engages flawlessly. Showing 247,000 original miles on the odometer, it continues to run and drive exceptionally well, offering a fast, strong, smooth, solid, and tight ride with no unusual noises or underlying mechanical issues. Fully prepped for its next owner to drive anywhere with total confidence, the truck rides on 4 brand new tires and carries a clean, clear California title in hand, a recently passed smog certification, and a full year of active registration. The cabin remains remarkably clean and fully operational, equipped with cold air conditioning, strong heating, and functional electronics across the dashboard. Number 7. 2005 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800, featuring a tan exterior, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 5.3L V8 gasoline engine with just 125,400 original miles on the odometer. Running and driving exceptionally well, it provides year-round comfort with ice-cold air conditioning and hot heating, while riding on newer tires mounted on eye-catching 22-inch wheels. Under the hood, the engine benefits from extensive recent maintenance, including new spark plugs, ignition coils, spark plug wires, and fresh fuel lines to ensure smooth performance. The truck's stopping power has been fully updated with brand new front brake pads, rotors, brake lines, a master cylinder, emergency brake cables, and emergency brake shoes with all new hardware. Holding a clean Delaware title in hand, the vehicle is completely turnkey and ready to go. While it features solid mechanical components throughout, cosmetic notes include typical rust on the rocker panels and cab corners, along with a minor dent on the hood, making it a reliable workhorse with plenty of life left. Number 8. 1982 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. The truck features a striking blue exterior offset by a sleek black interior, an automatic 3-speed transmission, and a plug-in hybrid setup that reads just 11,000 miles on the odometer. Beneath the hood rests a dependable 350 V8 engine that runs and drives smoothly with true turnkey convenience, offering strong performance every time key turns in the ignition. Inside the cabin, the interior comfort has been significantly modernized with upgraded seats retrofitted directly from a 2018 model, bringing a touch of modern ergonomics to a classic square body aesthetic. Holding a clean Texas title in hand along with brand new state license plates, the vehicle is fully registered and ready for the road or its next chapter of customization. While it functions reliably as a strong running truck, it is a project opportunity that does show noticeable body rust and will require ongoing bodywork and rust repair to bring it back to pristine condition. Number 9. 2003 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,495, featuring a striking red exterior paired with a sleek black interior, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline powertrain showing 193,000 miles on the odometer. Beneath the hood rests the legendary 5.3L Vortec V8 engine, widely known for its bulletproof reliability and old-school pushrod simplicity that easily runs well past 300,000 miles without the modern electronic headaches found in newer trucks. The functional extended cab design provides an ideal balance of secure interior cargo storage and comfortable extra passenger seating, all while retaining a full-size bed capable of handling real work. Number 10. 2004 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, featuring a clean silver exterior paired with a simple gray interior, a smooth automatic transmission, and a two-wheel drive setup showing just under 150,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a dependable 4.8L V8 gasoline engine, this truck runs and drives great while maintaining an ideal work-spec configuration built for durability, complete with low-maintenance manual windows and manual door locks. Carrying a clean title in hand and even preserving its original factory window sticker, the vehicle represents an exceptionally honest and straightforward classic workhorse. Mechanically, the only notable issue present is a cracked front sway bar, which is a simple fix that does not undermine its core functionality. Overall, with its solid 2WD powertrain, manageable low mileage, and practical specification, this Chevy stands as an excellent candidate for anyone in need of a dependable, no-nonsense truck ready for immediate daily work duties.